Hello, everybody.
And welcome back to English Fiesta.
Happy New Year from Canada.
Happy New Year's from Buenos Aires.
And Happy New Year's from Houston, from the United States. We're all so happy that you're with us on this journey of learning English.
Learning English, or learning any language, is a beautiful thing. It allows you to connect with new people, new experiences, and new cultures.
If you're watching this video, then you want to learn English. That's great.
In 2025, here at English Fiesta, we're going to make so many amazing and so many helpful videos for all of you.
We are going to make lots of helpful and clear, comprehensible input for you.
Whether you're from Asia or Latin America or the planet Jupiter, just watch our videos, listen closely, and your English will improve.
Join us as we talk about culture and history,
Nature, animals,
sports and athletics, religion, beliefs, friendships, relationships, anything and everything.
It's going to be a super exciting year.
so make sure to subscribe to the channel.
We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget,
Keep watching
Keep listening.
and
your English will improve. Goodbye.
Bye.
see you later.